Hello, this is Darwin, CEO and founder at SSI. Talent management, attraction, efficiency, and retention. Today, I want to talk about overall strategy and areas to consider. It's important to understand that how you plan up front and execute on attraction and efficiency directly correlates to retention. If you don't do one well, it will directly impact the other areas in most scenarios. Think about compensation. If that is not done correctly, relevant to the market up front, how long do you think that talent's going to stay there as they get reached out to for other opportunities that pay more? First, consider having a different internal interview process when handling positions yourself versus partnering with an external firm. Why? Because the positions that you are filling internally most likely are with active candidates, particularly if you have a passive process internally. For external, it will be passive candidates if you're partnering with a strong firm, and the process needs to be more efficient. You don't have as much time. Are you going to manage recruitment entirely in-house? Questions to consider if you're going to do that, take that approach. Do you have the right talent in-house to execute? Someone who has the ability to identify and attract talent proactively. What tools will you give them to be able to execute? Posting and praying isn't going to get it, particularly in this market, for your critical needs and hard to fill positions. You need to be able to proactively reach out to talent, whether it is internally, externally, external resources, or a combination of the two. Will you take the approach of multiple vendors, or are you going to look for partners? If you're going to make the decision to look for vendors, how many are you going to use? How well do they understand the company value prop? How do they communicate it to candidates from an attraction standpoint? How well do they close out candidates? Do you have an agreed upon plan for when different firms that you're using or vendors contact the same candidates? Are you going to ask firms to work on your positions for free for you up front while you have internal resources working and competing against them also? Partnership. If you're going to look for partners, then you need to make sure you're a good partner as well. It's in your company's best interest, and a good partner externally is not going to stay with you very long if you don't manage your side of the fence well. Key questions to ask and understand in identifying a partner if you're going to go the partnership route. Number one, what tools does the search firm I'm considering use that are different? Are they invested in relevant technology for artificial intelligence, video, digital, automations, and industry compensations? Number two, how well do they know my industry, product category, or skill niche or vertical within my particular industry? Number three, how well will they interact with the talent, share the opportunity to attract, which is critical, attracting appropriately, manage the process, and then professionally close out candidates to protect our company value prop? Number four, do they know their outcomes and have relevant data to back it up? And do they use analytics to help the client or me as the internal company make better decisions? Number five, do you want a partner or do you want another vendor? Do you say you want a partner, but then treat that company like a vendor relevant to process? If you're a conference or company and you're looking for training or insights on talent management relevant to attraction, efficiency, and best practices, and would like for us to present or discuss strategy with you, please reach out to us. I hope this brought you value, and have a great day.